worked here at Park as a small machinist in machining for about 10 years now. I like working at Park because of the family-like atmosphere. You just don't feel like a number here. You're actually part of the crew.
I'm a welder too in the welding department for 5 years now. This place is just, atmosphere is just really nice to work.
I work in the fabrication department, and I like working here because it's got solid atmosphere.
I've been at Park for about a year and a half. The relaxed atmosphere is what I like.
I'm the safety manager here at Park. I have been at Park for 2 years. Never regretted a day in my life coming here. There's too many amazing things to even capture most of them, but the top 3 is the associates, our leadership, and the sense of purpose.
I work on the shop floor and I work as a sandblast technician. I've been here for 2 months. The thing I like working most here is the people, how kind everybody is, how everyone's been helping me out. Training, I've got to learn a lot of new things.
I've been here for a little over 6.5 years, and I really like the benefits here.
I'm a manufacturing manager. I've been with Park for 17 years. I choose to work at Park because of the culture and work-life balance.
I've been at Park for about 10 years. I've been at other previous companies before this one, and there was really no culture. You kind of felt like a number. Here, you're treated as a person. There's a lot of recognition here.
I am the Senior Marketing Strategy Manager. During the interview process, we talked a lot about the culture of Park. It's also transparent all around the building. And every day since, it has just been proven over and over and over again.
I am a fabricator too. I've been here for a little over a year, and the reason why I choose to work here is for the leadership.
I am the marketing specialist here at Park Industries in the marketing department. I've been with Park for just over 1 year, and the reason why I choose to work here is because they encourage me to grow and they don't limit what my growth can look like.
I work in the panel shop as the electrical technician 3, and I've been here for 5 years. I like to work at Park because I get to use what I've learned in school and apply it to my job here, and also learn new things here.
In the 10 years I've been with Park, Park's really helped me to develop my role. I started out as a trainer and quickly was evolved into an application engineer and now a sales consultant. I never seen my career go in this direction, but someone at Park did, and it really helped me to thrive to where I'm at today.
It's like nowhere I've ever worked before.
Because it's like polar opposite of most places.
Everybody is always so supportive and in your court, and that was really important to me in finding a place to, call my daytime family.
We got people here that care and respect you, right? And that's what it is.